So how to enable picture in picture on Messenger on your iPhone once someone call with your iPhone Messenger. First of all, you need to go your setting to enable picture in picture on your iPhone, and then you have to go your general, and from that you can find picture in picture option. Press on picture in picture, and you need to enable start PiP automatically. Press on it and go back again, and then you need to go your background app refresh. Press on it, and you have to open it first. Suppose if it's disabled or turn off, you need to turn on it Wi-Fi and mobile data, and make sure your messenger also enable. So enable it, and now restart your iPhone to enable this option. So once your iPhone is restarted, hope this picture in picture is enabled on your messenger. So hope video helpful. Please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you.